Yeah, my name is Robert Robinson. I live in McKinney, Texas. And over the past 4 or 5 months, I went ahead and researched solar panels here on my house and looked at multiple companies. And I elected to go with Freedom Power for a whole bunch of reasons. Number one, they weren't the cheapest. But number two, they had products that I'm familiar with, including the fact that the panels are made here in Texas, the batteries made by Tesla, all with good past history. Wife's got a Tesla car, and we've never had a problem with it. So I went ahead with the application. It went through very smoothly. The only hiccup we had was working with the HOAs. I have two, one for the village I live in, and then there's a master HOA. But Freedom Power and their staff were very cooperative and very helpful in getting me through that, which took a little bit of time. I finally ended up going in person to help resolve and move things along. And once I did that, Freedom Power was right alongside and were very appreciative of my efforts to help them get everything lined up. I went ahead and ordered 28 panels, and everything was all set to go. And then rain came, so the work was delayed, not by them, but by the weather. And as of last weekend, I was able to have the electrical components put in, including the battery. All were done to my satisfaction on the side of the house, and the two workers that were there did a great job. Told me what they were doing. I would go out every now and then and give them something to drink, and they were excellent. It took them about 4 or 5 hours. Then the panels were delayed because of the weather, and that installation of the panels is actually going to occur tomorrow on Thursday, June 25th. So I'm looking forward to that. Uh, all their follow-up questions, anything related to this, including the process in getting my lease approved, went very smoothly. So I have no negative comments on that at all. They did a great job. They said what it was going to cost, and it did to the penny. So with that said, I am very happy. And other than that, Freedom Power has my permission to use this video. And if you need to, you can use me as a reference for other future customers. Again, this is Robert Robinson in McKinney, Texas, sitting in my home. Thank you very much.